In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create a clip on Twitch TV. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is come over to Twitch, and once you've opened up Twitch, go ahead and find your favourite streamer or anything you want to go ahead and clip. So I'm just going to go ahead and click a random one here, so I'll go ahead and click on Spencer FC. And then once you've clicked on that, his stream will obviously come up. And as you can see, there's a little like film thing in the top right corner right next to the settings cog, so go ahead and click on that. And then once you've clicked on that, you will get this little pop-up here, and it will just say generating clip. So what you want to go ahead and do is just go ahead and simply wait for that to generate. And then as you can see, it's generated a clip, and then the next step you can go ahead and do is edit the clip. And then it will generate like the last minute and a half of the clip, so go ahead and wait for it to just load up. So once it's loaded up, what you can go ahead and do is simply click on trim clip, and it will bring you to this little pop-up here, and as you can see, it generates like the last minute and a half, and then you can go ahead and trim it to whatever you want. You can go ahead and scroll backwards and forward, and then what you can go ahead and do is add a title, so go ahead and just put clip, and then you can go ahead and click on publish. And then as you can see, it's published a clip. You can go ahead then and share it. So once you've done that and you're happy with the clip, you can go ahead and you can share it via whichever platform you like. So if this video did help you guys, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.